Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know one never bring shame to your name, no. Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know one never bring shame to your name, yeah.
So as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. Yeah. So as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame.
I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing. Cause he did cover me and he did protect me. Every day it's working. I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing. Cause he did cover me and he did protect me. Every day, man, it's working. This is all I want from you, I need it. Fill me till I overflow, I need it. Fill me with your grace. Put me in a space where you guide my steps every day, I need it. Yes, I need it. You know I need it. Can't do a thing without it, I need it. I said, you know I need it, oh. Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shunt my race. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know one never bring shame to your name, yeah.
Lord, I call your name on the daily. I dey try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, yeah. Lord, I'm needing more grace, Lord. Lord, I call your name on the daily. I dey try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, yeah. I'm needing more grace, Lord.
Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shunt my racer. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know one never bring shame to your name, yeah.
So as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. So as you give me that, I no go ever put you to shame.
Mix Wonders Magic.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing DJ Afraid and my homeboy, Limo.
Yeah, you rescued the boy. She your love, the pump with the boy. And if I'm poor anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy. So you rescued the boy. She your love, the pump with the boy. And if I'm poor anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
Your type of love, you the shock person. If not, what I go drum person, no, yeah. It is so good and it's so real and it's so free, yeah. The type of love, you the shock person. If not, what I go drum person, no, yeah. It is so good and it's so real and it's for free, yeah. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love, it was brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, it's your love, it was brand new. Forgive my shortcomings. You know I hate the shortcomings. Oh, I don't know why I do things I hate. Oh, forgive my shortcomings. You know I hate these shortcomings. Oh, cause the things I wanna do, I don't do them. I'm a mess. I don't know why you love me. I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know no it's not undo way you love me. So I break your heart, but see the way that you love me. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love it goes brand new. I know I don't deserve it. Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, so your love it goes brand new. So I said, do, do, do. Okay, do, do, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. Na, 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 na. So I said, do, do, do. Okay, do, do, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. Oh.
Say you rescue the boy.
So you
Say
rescue
your love with the bump on the boy.
and you bumper.
And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
Oh, na, na.
Say you rescue the boy.
And you
Say
rescue.
your love with the bump on the boy.
Yes, you bumper.
And if I fall anytime, you to lift me up, you to protect the boy.
I'm a mess. I don't know why you love me. I break your heart, but see the way that you love me.
Yo, Cha, what up, what up?
Don't know what's in out.
Give me some energy, Cha, once again, man.
I break your
New
heart,
month,
but see
Cha,
the
new
way
day,
that
new
you
week,
love
man.
me. I
Give
know
some
I don't
energy,
deserve
Cha. Let's go, man. Let's go, let's go.
overwhelming, no.
Drop some emoji, drop some fire, drop some W, whatever you want, Cha. Give me some energy, man. Let's go.
Your love is overwhelming, no. And it's a vibe, it's your love, it was brand new. So I said, do, do, do. Again, do, do, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. Oh. So I said, do, do, do. Again, do, do, do. I thank you and I bless you for your love. Oh. Operate.
Yes, sir. You already know. Worldwide. DJ Alpha and Limbo Blade. Is that Jesus music? God loves you. Never forget that.
Let's go, man. Cha, drop some energy, bro. Let's go, let's go.
Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And ayy, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion?
Alright, Cha, what up, what up?
When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauren Hill said her heart was in Zion.
What's up, gang? What up, what up?
Still was in rhyming. Cause who the kids gon' listen to? Huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in school. I guess I clean up my act like Tyson do. If not for the pledge, at least for the principle. They got the CD, they got the CD. Drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible. Now they know they invincible. Hey, hey, hey.
This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one. This is the story of a champion. Runners in the market, they pop the gun. Stand up, here he comes. Tell me what it takes to be number one. Tell me what it takes to be number one.
Did you realize that you are Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious.
All right, chat, how you guys doing? What's up? What's up?
Do it just like this.
What's up, chat? How you guys doing? What up? What up? Welcome you in, man. What's up? What's up? It's a brand new month here, chat. What's up? What's up, chat? All right, we're pushing up here. 47 pip. We'll do the top-down analysis in a few minutes, chat, all right? So how you guys doing, man? How you guys doing, bro? 35 viewers in the chat, man. How you guys doing? What's up? What's up? All right, chat. You guys ready for the top-down analysis, chat? Type ready's in the chat, man. If you guys ready, bro. Type ready in the chat, man. Ready, let's go. Let's have a look on the monthly time frame, chat. I'm gonna start with the monthly time frame here, gang. As you can see here, monthly time frame here, you have support form here, right? Support form here, and you have resistance form here, right? But the thing here, chat, is this candle closed above the range. That's why it's pushing up. And this previous monthly time frame here, as you can see, this one has an exhaustion week, right? And I probably anticipating this candle that the next candle will drive down like this. But the problem, and the price keep pushing up. we cannot hold the price. We cannot, anticipate that this monthly time frame will go down. But we're here to adapt, right? And as you can see here right now, the monthly time frame is close bullish. But the problem here, the monthly time frame closed without top wick here, chat. This one. So technically, if the candle has closed without top wick, what's gonna happen, chat? Drop in the chat if you guys are always in the stream and always pulling up in the session. Drop in the chat what will happen once you close without top wick, or this for me has no top wick, right? So what will happen if the candle close without top wick, chat? What will happen if the candle close without top wick? Drop in the chat. Drop it in the chat, man. Weekly, man. It's interesting here. No one can answer, huh? Drop in the chat if you guys know what will happen next once the candle close without top wick. Yeah, we're bullish, but the candle has closed without top wick here, chat. So what will happen next if the candle close without top wick? Drop it in the chat. No one can answer chat. No one knows. Nobody knows nothing. Chat, what will happen if the candle close without top wick? Man, new here. What's up? What's up, brother? All right. So, what will happen is if the candle close, the probability go up is lesser than go down. Unpredictable. All right. So what will happen if the candle close without top wick here, right? Without top wick here, you don't have range to push up. All right? You don't have range to push up here, chat. Like this. Right? So what will gonna happen is you re-break right now. It's good because you re-break the high now. Now we're gonna see if this candle push down. But this is monthly time frame. But if we drop down to the weekly time frame, it's gonna look like this. So the weekly time frame here, no top wick, right? So you re-break the high there, it's good. Now once you close bearish or close like this, when there is a high chance that the next weekly candle will drive down further here to retest the next support here, right? But we're here to adapt to the market. So let's drop down to the daily time frame here. Daily time frame here, as you can see, the daily time frame, you have formed support here, your resistance is here. And the question for me here is this candle close above the range, right? This candle close above the range. Yeah, there is a top wick here on the daily time frame here, but the next previous candle has no. There's a little bit of bottom wick and there is a little bit of top wick there, but the problem is you have a lot of volume into the market. You have a lot of buying momentum into the market right now. That's why the price are pushing up. Maybe today will rise up to 3,200, right? We don't know. So right now we're here to adapt, right? For our time frame, all right. So the 4-hour time frame is re-break the previous candle low there. So this one has a structure of the change of character on the 4-hour time frame. So for me, if the 4-hour candle close, there is a high chance that the next 4-hour close create a top wick, right? Top wick and then push down to retest this support level right here. So that's the probability on the 4-hour. But if the 4-hour right now push up, man, then the next 4-hour will push it up towards to 3,164 levels. But right now, the 4-hour still bearish. The 1-hour, yeah, you close below the range here, chat, on the 1-hour time frame here. So as you can see here, you have resistance here. You have minor support level. This is your support already because you have bullish closure here. And then the next candle close bearish. So now you have support and then this candle close below support. So right now you have breakup structure of the 1-hour candle, right? Because you have minor support level there and then the next previous candle close bearish below the range too. But the question is where this top wick gonna headed? Maybe you're gonna re-break once again the high before you drive down like this, right? There is a high chance that you're gonna grab orders here before driving down here, right? So it's gonna look like this, right? But you still have 43 minutes for this candle to close, this 1-hour candle to close, right? But let's see on the 30 minutes candle what's happening here. So 30 minutes candle right now, it's about to close. The 30 minutes candle is about to close here in 13 minutes. Probably this candle will close bullish. So now you have support, and this is our resistance now. Now, we will wait for the breakout here. Once we see closure above here, now we're good for buying up. Once we see close below the range here, now we're good for selling down to retest here or another area on the left hand side. So yeah, that's the probability, chat. That's my probability. So I'm gonna put my levels on to support, and let's gonna wait here. So if you have any questions, chat, drop it in the chat. All right, drop it in the chat, man. Yeah, your resistance is up here. So how many pip range? So we're in the 100 pip range here. If we see this bearish closure, man, how many pip stops? I would say above here, the structure here. But yeah, let's see, man. Let's see, gang. Yeah. Let's see. This is my levels, chat. So if you have any questions, yeah, resistance becomes support because your resistance, the previous resistance is here, up here. So that's your previous resistance, right? And then once you see this breakout, now you're gonna wait for structure. So once you see structure, now you have formed new support. And then you see structure upside here, now you have formed resistance. And then push down further, now you have formed new support here. Now once this candle closed, now you have new resistance up here. That's the probability. That's how you play with support and resistance. And then you're gonna play with the time frame correlation. You're gonna play with the market structure to enter a trend. You need to understand. You need to know where's the price gonna head. And right now we have bearish momentum here on the 15 minutes time frame and the 30 minutes time frame. As you can see here, we have push down, right? So now we're gonna wait for new support form and then break the new support, right? Close below the support to take a sell, right? So yeah, right now we're gonna wait that. How can you tell if there is gonna be a fake out instead of breakout? Okay, so if breakout's happening right now, for example, this candle breakout, all right? So if this candle breakout here, and then the next candle close back in the range, now this is the breakout candle. This is the faked out candle already. This is gonna be the fake out candle because you break out there, you close above the range, okay, but the next candle didn't go didn't close above the range, right? You didn't push further because right now, if you see breakout here, if you see breakout now, you're gonna buy because you anticipate that this candle will push down further, right? So if that happened, now you're gonna buy here after creating a bottom wick like that, right? You're gonna buy here. But the problem here is once you take buy on the flip, what will happen is like this. So from there, how to avoid, you cannot avoid fake out, chat. You cannot avoid fake out. You need to adapt on the fake out. You need to manage your risk there because we cannot anticipate that this candle will go back in the range because it's fake out. You cannot anticipate that. We're here to adapt, right? So if that happen, you need to manage your risk there, right? Instead of you lose, your stop loss should be here, right? You're gonna put your stop loss here below the candle wick. So for me, if that happen, if this candle close bearish, I might close the trade because there is a high probability that the next candle will push down further to retest the low, to retest the support level right here. Does make sense, right? So I'm always telling you guys in the stream, right? So once we see, okay, we see the breakout, right? Most of the trade is breakout, and then suddenly I wanna see bearish closure like this to take a sell because I know the fact that this candle is close above the range. Okay, you close above the range, you're good, but I want to see go back in the range that the candle is gonna is in that the candle this candle is valid for selling down here. Right? I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you in my trading journal how we anticipate that on the last month, I believe, right? That's the my trade last month, this 12 pip. Uh-huh. So see this candle close above the range, right? This candle close above the range. This is the one, no? Probably this. Yeah. So as you can see here, this candle close above the range. I just move the levels because it closed bearish on the next candle. So this candle close above the range here, right? So this candle close above the range. So basically, I wanna see the next candle go back in the range once again to take a sell. See that? We took a sell here and we got dubs. So that's how you anticipate the candles. The candles closure. Right? Does it make sense? So fake out. So Chad, this is 15 minutes time frame, right? So if this candle close above the range like this, now I'm gonna go after the 30 minutes time frame here to see if this candle is gonna be a faked out candle. Because so 15 minutes candle close above, for example, right? And then the next candle go back in the range. This is how you avoid fake out, chat, like this. Okay, so you're gonna look for the 30 minutes time frame. So if the 30 minutes time frame didn't close above the range there, so technically you're gonna close like this on the 30 minutes time frame, right? So there's no closure above. So what happened next is the next 30 minutes time frame will push further down here like this. Right? So that's gonna look on the 30 minutes time frame. This candle, it's gonna look like this. So there's no closure above the range. Your 15 will close above the range, but the next 15 didn't close above the range. Now you're gonna look for the 30 if the 30 close above the range. That's how you avoid fake out. You need to check the time frame correlation, or maybe you're gonna check the 1 hour time frame. So you need to check the time frame, the 4 hour, 1 hour, if it's lined up. That's how you anticipate the time frame correlation. Does make sense? Right? So shout out to 49 viewers right now. Chat, make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream, subs to the channel, and follow me on IG. Like the stream, gang. Can we see 30 likes in here, chat? Shout out to 52 viewers right now. Can I see 30 likes in here? It's 30 likes. 30 likes, bro. Man, a lot of volume in your chat. Interesting. 53 pips going down. Re-break there. The 30. 1 hour. Wow. Man, the stop loss is gonna be big. 50 pip stops. No, I'm not gonna take that. We're not gonna take this sell here, chat, because the stop loss is gonna be a little bit wide. So we're gonna wait here, gang. It's new month here, right? So patience, dog, patience. Coach, if any case it breaks the resistance, which is the all-time high next candle is bullish, how you calculate or not target price? So technically, if you see the all-time high here and you see volume, right? You always see that there is an increment of minimum $5 on gold. So let's say this is 50 now, 3,150. You top 3,150. So you're gonna increase until 3,055, 3,155. That's minimum, 50 pips minimum. So $5 increment on that. Yeah, if you have any questions, man, drop it in the chat. How do you decide how many pips for TP and SL? So basically, guys, trading okay. So how you gonna anticipate stop loss and take profit? So basically, use the logic, not your emotion. For example, we took a trade here, right? So for example, I take a sell here. So technically, I'm gonna use the logic here, not my emotion. So I probably gonna take partials on the rebreak of this previous candle low here because you have minor support level here, right? So this is the logic, chat. You need to secure profit on the minor levels here because you know that the fact that this, if the candle push further down here, you will see a reaction, right? Because this is a minor support level. So you need to understand that by logic, not emotion. Because right now maybe you depends on your trading. Maybe you are swing trader or day trader, intraday trader, but for me, I am day trader and I scalp. So technically, I use the logic for my TPs and SL. And stop loss should be on your logic. So the logic here is you're gonna put the stop loss above the current candle high here, right? Above here, right? Because this previous candle, this is current candle, has no business to drive back up once again here, right? If you want to push down further. So that's how I put my levels. So that's how I put my TPs and my SL. All right, close. Bearish candle closure chow on the 15, man. But the 30 has closed bullish now. And you have range, 39 pip range, man. No problem. You're welcome. And I would say, chat, don't always chase the move, right? For me, I'm not chasing the move because my strategy is based on the candles, right? Based on the candle closure. So if I took a sell right here, I'm happy that if I got 12 pips profit, 15 pips profit, I'm happy with that because that's my strategy telling me to do, right? So I need to close some partials on the 15 pips. So I might close profit, I might close the trade on 15 pips. I'm not catching the whole move because that is not part of my plan, right? I need to secure profit there. Otherwise, the market will take that profit for you. And If that happen, if the market take that profit, the market will take your stop loss too. You might hit your stop loss because of the greed, right? So that comes out, the greed, the fear. So for me, Cha, I'm always following my rules. I'm always following my plan. So if you have plan, follow your plan, right? But if you don't have plan, make sure you have plan, because that's your edge to the market. If you don't have plan, man, the market will eat you, man. The market has no emotion. The market doesn't care about your capital right now. You break the low, you push down now. One hour is still open here. 4 hours is about to close. I probably gonna wait for the 4 hour closure here, chat. Chat, if you have any more questions, man, drop it in the chat. Man, once we close above the range here, we're good to take a buy here, because you have a lot of momentum of buying here. 84 pip. If this candle close like this, right, man, we're good for selling down on the next previous candle. Boom. BTC 84K. All right. Wow, Loom. 0.8, huh, man. Onto the ground. Man, the monthly time frame reacts now. 170 pip. Interesting here. $300 pip move. The first day. Yeah. Shout out to 56 viewers. What's up? What's up, gang? 56 viewers. What's up? What's up? Chat, if you have any questions, man, drop it in the chat. All right. All right. 30 minutes time frame. We're pushing up here. See this? That's why I don't want to take cells in your chat, because I want to see if I want to take cell, I want to see close above the range first, right? And then go back in the range. So take cell right down here. So yeah, I mean, right now cannot take cells. I cannot take cells. 100 pip range. 100 pip range. Oh, NQ has volume. Huh? Two minutes for closure, chat. 2 minutes for 15. Close bullish. Coach, pag buy ba close above the range, so once you close above the range, like this, now we're good for buying up. Like this. We're good for buying up. The retest here. So you're gonna buy on this next candle. Open up the candle here. All right, chat. Doji closure on the 15 here. Let's see here, man. The last candle of the 1 hour candle. The last 15 minutes on the 1 hour candle. So waiting here. Gang, waiting game, chat, waiting. No volume, chat, no volume, man. We need to wait here. I probably gonna wait for this. But if this candle re-break, this candle re-break, probably gonna look like this. Coach, when waiting for candle closure, can you incorporate? Yeah, it's up to you, bro. If you wanna take, for example, candle close above, and you probably wanna buy, you can, you know, you can do your buy limit here, or buy limit here, right? So once you make a bottom wick, now it's gonna be activated, and then boom, right? You can do that. But for me, I probably doing that for example, if I want to take buy here and then the candle create a bottom wick, I probably gonna wait for I'm gonna do is buy limit here or buy limit on the break of the previous candle high. Because if that happen, it's gonna look like this, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. 10 minutes for closure on this 15 chat. If this candle close, yeah, below the range here, we're good for selling here. All right. So you're gonna wait for the 4-hour closure here and the 1-hour closure too. 30 minutes close bearish, 15 minutes close bearish. We're good. Excuse me. 65 viewers, chat. Drop some likes, man. Drop some likes. Subs to the channel. Pushing down here. Ooh, volume, man. All right, gold. I know you're not gonna wait for us, man. I know you're gonna drive down now. I know that you're gonna drive down further. But that's fine, man. I'm not gonna chase you. I'm gonna follow my plan here. All right, push down, bro. Push down, gold. Push down. Still a clean range towards to the downside. I probably gonna take the sell here on the rebreak, but the problem is didn't re-break in 5 minutes. In time of 5 minutes, you didn't re-break. So you re-break on the 5 minutes new opening of the candle, right? So for me, if I wanna take sell, I'm gonna wait for like topic and then push down further in just 1-2 minutes. But if not, I'm not gonna take that. I'm not gonna chase that. So I probably gonna wait for this candle to close. Chat, make sure you drop some likes, all right? Drop some likes and subs to the channel, man. The daily time frame is about to flip. Once you flip, gonna look like this. But in NY session here, I'm gonna push further down. Retest minimum here. All right. Jolt's job opening 6 p.m. Wednesday. ADP 4:15. Thursday. Unemployment claim. Sorry. Friday. Oh, NFP. NFP on Friday here, April 4. Amazing. Today, Tuesday. Yeah, 6 p.m. news. 6 p.m. news. Three minutes for closure, chat. 3 minutes. Two minutes for closure, chat. Man, you're gonna close bearish here. 30 minutes close. Interesting on the 4 hour here. Top wick and then push. Wick fill. $45 seconds, chat. Top week. Top week, man. Oh, I don't like the top week, chat. That's why I don't want to enter a trade. Should be like this a little bit and then push further. Yeah, I'm gonna put my sell stop here on the rebreak of the current candle low, right? Sell limit, not sell right now. Sell limit, okay? So sell stop, the rebreak of the previous candle low here. Because once you rebreak the previous, the current candle low, we're good. We're selling down here because now you create a top wick there. You don't have business to go back one more time, right? But that's it, man. We're gonna use the sell stop, not execution sell, alright? Limit, sell limit, chat. And once you re-break the previous candle high here, I'm gonna remove my sell stop. Alright, so that's the probability. Give me a second, chat. Can you re-break their chat? Who's on sales right now, chat? Who's on sales right now? Drop it in the chat, man. I know you guys, some of you guys doing sniper here, chat. Be careful on the zone, alright? That's why I put sell stop here because I wanna see top wick first and then re-break of the previous candle low. The 1 hour is still bullish, alright? But the 30 is bearish. The 15 is bearish. The problem here is no volume here. Drop in the chat if you took a sell there, chat. If not, we're good. Sell stop means sell limit. Sell limit. Sell limit, gang. You will see that on your MT5. Sell limit. Sell limit is like this, chat. Sell stop on the re-break. So I'm not activated yet. Gonna wait. What is the purpose of buy or sell limit? So technically, brother, sell limit is once you top this price, your trade is gonna be activated here, right? That's why I put sell limit here because I anticipate that the 4-hour time frame here is gonna create a top wick because as you can see, you have bearish closure in the 4-hour, right? So now I anticipate that you're gonna create the top wick first before driving down to refill this wick, this wick on the left hand side here. That's why I put some sell stop or sell limit there. Once you top the price, my sell limit the sell is gonna be activated. So it's the same with the buy limit. So for example, I put buy limit here. So if this candle top the price here, my buy limit, the buy is gonna be activated here. So that's the purpose of buy or sell limit, right? So for example, the price is pushing up close above the range. So technically, I'm gonna put my buy limit on the rebreak of the previous candle high. So I anticipate that the next candle will push up further, right? After creating a bottom wick like this to retest the high. So you're gonna be activated on the rebreak of the previous candle high there. Does make sense? That's how you use buy stop and sell stop. And the advantage point of buy limit and sell limit is you're waiting for the price to top, enable for you to be valid, enable the setup to be valid. Because if you didn't rebreak the previous candle low at the current candle low right now, my setup here is not valid yet. So I need to wait for the rebreak of the current candle. Otherwise, in 2 minutes, if this candle close bullish, I'm gonna remove my sell stop here, because now you have new support form here, right? So probably the next candle will push up further like this on the next 15 minutes candle. Yeah. But if this candle close like this, doji, man, probably on the next candle will push down further. It's gonna look like this candle. It's gonna look like this candle. Right? We enter on the rebreak of the previous candle low. That's how we do that. So right now, chat, I'm gonna remove my sell stop here. No bueno, chat. No bueno, man. Remove sell limit. 15 will close bullish. And it's gonna be a range on the session now. It's gonna be a range session. No buenos. No buenos. Chat, drop some likes, man. Drop some likes. Support to the channel. Yeah, we're gonna wait for some candle closure. I'm giving you some scenario, chat. All right. So, right now, we're playing inside the range, right? So I'm gonna show you some scenario here. So if the candles are closing, if we see that the candles are pushing down, okay, right? So creating some structure like this. Now we're inside the range, right? You're inside the range here. Now we're waiting for the new resistance form. So once we see new resistance form here, like this, now we're good for selling down. But I don't see some good candle closure. That's why I'm not taking any trades. Right? As you can see, this what do you call, where's that? This one is not good closure to take a sell. This 30 minutes candle is not a good closure to take a sell. If I want to take sell there, it's gonna be big body here, like this, for taking sell right now. Right? That's the scenario on the range. If you're checking the range, right? Because now this is gonna look like this. Now I'm gonna remove this. So now it's gonna look like this, right? Hover, hover, hover. Like this. Now you have minor support level inside the range. Now you're gonna calculate here how many pip range towards to the downside here. Now maybe roughly you have 45 or 44 pip range. So it's still decent range to trade. So technically for me, if I wanna take took a trade, I wanna see 30 pips and above to take a sell or to take a buy. So that's how I get my trades. So right now this picture, right now it's the same with this picture. As you can see now, right now there's no volume. As you can see, the 15 minutes candle are printing side by side now. The candles are getting the body is getting lower. So the probability is getting lower for buy and sell too. So for me right now, I wanna see if the candles are gonna close below once again. But I'm gonna check how many pip range towards to the downside. Now I have roughly 36 pip. So I'm gonna trade that 36 pip. But I'm gonna wait for that closure. If I don't see closure like this, I'm not gonna touch anything in the chart because I don't have edge on this. Right now, as you can see, the candles are printing side by side. You cannot take buy here. You cannot take sell too. Right? The question, what's the probability if you're gonna take buy here? What's your probability? Right? So we don't have probability. Yeah, trading is all about strategy. It's all about edge. It's all about plan. All right, so you need to follow your plan. You need to have a rules that you need to follow. That's why you need to create a playbook that you need to follow. You need to create a setup that you need to follow. Otherwise, man, you're just gonna lose money here because you don't have edge. You don't have probability. How you gonna trade, right? So that's why waiting is the name of the game here. If you have patience, then you know that you have setup that you need to follow, you have system that you need to follow. Man, the market will always reward you here. If you have patience, the market will always reward you, right? So and the next setup is the breakout. So let's say pushing down, okay. Oh, you're inside the range, right? So once you see close below the range here, this is the breakout. So once you see breakout, now you're good for selling down to retest the low here because you know that the fact that you have clean traffic towards to the left hand side here, you always look on your left like this. This is a clean move, right? That's the breakout. It's the same for buys. You just need to wait for close above the range to buy here to retest the high, right? So that's how you play with the ranges. Close above, close below the range. Does make sense? We good? Makes sense. I don't have patience. So patience is a skill. So you need to build patience first. Patience is a skill. Yeah, you should work on that. You show up in the live stream here, you're gonna learn too many patience. As you can see, there is a lot of people are patients here. There is 67 people are patients here. So you just need to be patient. And patience is a habit, right? So you need to build that habit first and enable for you to be patience, because patience is a skills. Discipline is a skills. "30 minutes re-break the high here once again." No bueno, cha. No bueno, man. Ranging day here. We might see volume maybe 3 p.m. here. Right now, I believe this is the volume already here. 9:45 or this one. 11:15. This is the move. 100 for 10 pip move. Chat, drop some likes, man. Can I see 50 likes here? Chat, drop some likes. What's your routine during coach? My routine: wake up in the morning and go to the charts, make a coffee, and do the live stream. After this, I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna work out. And after that, I'm gonna come back on the NY session. NY session start at 5:30 p.m. Dubai time. So probably I'm gonna hop onto the chart by 4:30 p.m. or 4 p.m. 30 minutes close bullish. The 30 minutes candle close bullish, cha. It's interesting, right? But I don't want to take a buy right now, the next candle, because as you can see here, we have only 28 pip range towards to the upside though. I don't want to take that. So probably I'm gonna wait for, close above. But that one, it will take time. Because right now you have structure on the left hand side, right? So you're probably gonna react here. Once you top here, you're probably gonna react here, hover, or not closing again, right? So this is gonna happen maybe like this. Once you didn't close above, or if you close above, you're good. But you're gonna wait for, if you wanna take sell, right? If you wanna take sell here, you need to wait for closure back in the range. But if you want to take buy, you're probably gonna enter on the rebreak of the previous candle high here. So took buy here, right? So yeah, man, that's the probability. Right now, don't have edge on this. It's inside the range here. Don't have edge. Cannot take buy, cannot take sell right now, chat. Waiting game here. Waiting game. Do you use any indicators for confirmation? No, I'm not using indicator. I'm not using indicator. If you're beginner, you can use probably which one? The ribbon one. um don't use this one. Moving average. You can use moving average for trend. Oh. Moving average. This one. So technically this moving average will give you trend. This moving average will identify a trend. You can use this for your confirmation, but yeah. So technically indicator is just a guide, all right? Indicator is just a guide. The confirmation is in the candle. The confirmation is how you gonna anticipate that the move is gonna happen upside into the downside. That's your confirmation. So you need to learn how to read the candles. Yeah. I'm not trading in consolidation. So right now it's consolidation. So we cannot trade here because there's no probability. Right? There's no probability. Technically, Chad, this is no trade zone because this is consolidation zone. So you need to wait for structure above once you close above or close below to get some trades. So you're gonna know if if it's consolidation, if the candles are printing side by side. So 15 minutes candles are printing side by side. So it's consolidating. 5 minutes, yeah, as you can see here, it's pretty ugly, right? So you cannot take buy, you cannot take sell here. It's really hard. It's really hard. You're probably gonna take the trades on this and on this because the direction is here. The direction is here. You're gonna know the direction. Yeah, it's risky. It's risky. Just a second. Yeah. Oof. Ribbon cutting strategy. Yeah. Ribbon ribbon cutting, gang. This is our strategy before chat, before before I do the price action. So yeah, ribbon cutting. This is the strategy way back 2023. The ribbon cutting. Yeah, if you have more questions, drop it in the chat. Why stop? What do you mean, why stop? The ribbon cutting. Using the ribbon because it's not really working. For me, it's not really working. I just used that before when I start trading to identify our bias, you know. And I'm always telling you guys, indicator is just there for guide, right? Can you please give advice to all beginners that's still exploring or mastering their strategy? Just keep going, man. Whatever strategy you have right now, make sure you know the foundation first, right? If your strategy is the same as mine, price action, you need to understand the candles. You need to read candles. Or if your strategy is supply and demand, you need to understand the foundation of supply and demand. Right? And keep going, man. And trading is not happen overnight here. It will challenge your patience, it will challenge your discipline. Keep going. And one more thing is don't overtrade and don't over risk. That's the common problem of losing money in trading. You're gonna overtrade and you're gonna over risk. And breaking your plan, don't break your plan, because once you break your plan, it's gonna be a gamble. It's gonna be you're gonna gamble your capital there because you're breaking the plan. So once you break the plan, make sure you know what's gonna happen. So if you break the plan, you need to pay the price. If you lose, you need to pay the price there. Otherwise, if you break your plan, you didn't take a price, you're just gonna go through that losing pace, man. You're just gonna lose a lot of money. You're just gonna lose your capital. And the emotion will take you, bro. Emotions is there, right? The fear and greed. So don't overtrade, don't over risk, gang. And if you saw people that they're doing lot sizing, like one lot, like me, I'm using 3 lot in trade. But don't like um don't don't jump your process. So I'm always telling that don't compare your chapter 1 into someone chapter 10 already. Because in able for you to jump those chapter, you need to earn that, right? You need to developers, for example, stage 1, you need to develop that. What happened to the stage 2, you need to develop that. What happened to the stage 3, develop your team. It's all about developing here, evolving, level up. And it's not happen overnight. I mean, You know, trading is risk, right? You know, trading is risky. So you're here. If you're a beginner, you're here. You took a risk. Man, don't quit. Don't stop. Right? If you're losing right now, man, just talk to me, bro. Message me in Instagram. Talk to me if you wanna advise. Like, tell me, bro, I have a losing pace right now, man. What can I do? What advice, man? Just message me in Instagram or WhatsApp, bro. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna motivate you, bro. I'm how you gonna go out on those things? Because man, it happens to me how many times, bro? And it's part of a game, you know. You're not gonna learn if you're not losing. You're not gonna learn if you're not losing. For hour didn't push through, man. Should push like this, but didn't push through. Yeah, W session. 7 minutes for closure chat. Man, can we close below here? Excuse me. No bueno, man. 55 people right now are patients. Good job. No buenos.
Kailangan.
20 seconds for closure on the 15, man. No buenos, chat. No bueno, man. Chat, if you have more questions, drop it in the chat. Shout out to 52 viewers right now. Coach, last may commission po ba na binabawas? Nag-try lang ako sa demo on how big pwedeng lot size din. So, 2, may commission na pwedeng binawas. Meron din po sa live trading using 3 lot. Yeah, depends on how you open a broker, bro. Pag if it's standard account, there's no commission. But this is funded account, and it has a $3 commission per lot. So normally, if you open an account in your broker, you need to choose there if it's a raw ECN. If raw ECN, so the meaning of raw ECN, you have a tight spread. So basically, you have 0 or 1 pip spread, but you need to pay the commission. In the broker, I believe $1. $7 per lot. Depends on your broker, but you can use standard account. So standard account has no commission. You can use that. No problem. You're welcome. Coach Richard, honestly. Hindi pwede mag-realize eh. Yup. Indicator is just a guide. Alright. Pushing down here. Volume. 9 minutes for closure, man. Here's the thing, bro. Need to close like this. Below. Once you close below, man, we're good here. 30 minutes close to. Wow. Rejection. Rejection, huh? Seven minutes for closure, gang. Wow. Nag-buy si Davey. May pagkakasell ko. Oh yeah. There is signal is against. Six minutes for closure, cha. I wanna see close below here. If not, no man. Gonna call it a stream. Can we close? Can we close? Bearish below the range. All right, man. Pushing up. Pushing up. Pushing up. Pushing. Alright, chat. No closure below here, but here's the thing, chat. Okay, so anything below closure here, once you see closure below here, chat, like this, right? Once you see close below the range here, now you're good. Taking sell here on the downside here, 41 pip, 40 pip here. All right, taking sell on the downside here once you close below, it's good, right? You just want to see top wick here, and then once you flip the candle, you're gonna enter a trade, right? That's the probability on selling here because you have clean traffic on the left hand side here, gang. This one is a clean traffic. So you're gonna take advantage on that. And the 4 hour too is bearish, chat. All right. So 4 hours bearish. You just need to wait for the candle to close below the support, below the range here. All right. So wait for candle to close below the range here. Now you're good for taking some sales. But if you want to take buy here, chat, probably gonna wait for close above the range here for buying up, right? To retest this high here. That's the probability of buying, right? So you need to wait for this closure above 3136 and closure below, I would say I'm gonna put this so you guys know. All right, so this gonna be buys above here, closure, and sells below here, closure. All right, chat. So that's all for me today, gang. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? My time here is up. Gonna see you guys tomorrow, another day and another gang here, chat. So no bueno for us. So if you're gonna trade this, wait for some closure below, and for buys, wait for close above the range here. So thank you, chat, for coming. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Love and wisdom to you all, man. I'm out here, chat.
Did you realize that you
Peace, man.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You realize that you are a champion. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon'